When I first received my feedback from my peer reviewer, I originally felt a little bit defensive. While they'd analysed my strengths, they'd also rightly pointed out some of the weaker aspects of my work.
I think we're all so vulnerable to crossing our arms and saying no. Never in a million years, I would never do that.
However, it's really important when you're looking at your peer review feedback to get past that layer of defensive and listen to what your peer reviewer is trying to say about your work.
I think it's so important that once you read your feedback, you sit down and you do some pure self-reflection. Because it is so easy for us to point out everyone else's flaws while being completely blinded to our own.
In the very beginning, I wasn't quite sure how to make my writing more academically rich because there were loads of information in it, but I didn't know which information was necessary and which was not. But it had gone to a perspective of 3 other different people of my classes, and 3 of them gave me feedbacks or suggestions on how it could be improved.
Now, once you've completed your self-reflection, make sure you go back to your feedback, give it another look, and try to organize a series of steps that you can take to ensure the improvement of your work ethic.
Every time I got a feedback, I just went through all of the suggestions they had given me. So it was quite helpful to me, and in the end, I had a technical report that had information that was necessary instead of just loads of unnecessary information in it.
When you submit an assignment or you share something with peers, you might feel the pressure of what you produce and the fact that it's going to be judged. However, in this project, the fact that it is anonymous allows you to test and trial your new ideas without fear of judgment. And not only do you get to test and trial them, but you get feedback on those ideas before you concrete them in your final assignment.
That's one thing that I really like about peer feedback, which is how it lets you have an open mind and basically discover new boundaries of your assignment.